My name is Carrie Zolovic. I'm here at Lasting Smiles. I'm day one getting my first set of implants. I've worn dentures for about 5 years now. I started off having issues with my teeth at about 22, 23. My family was very poor. I didn't have any dental work done or care done until I was about 18, 19. So at that time, when I was about 21, 22, I started seeing dentists on my own, and I also had epilepsy, so my medication caused severe dental damage. So at a very young age, I got full dentures. They're fine, they fit fine, they look fine, but every night I turn into an 80-year-old woman, and I'm not okay with that. So I made the choice to come in and get full permanent implant dentures, and I'm very excited about it. And so we'll see, and then maybe at night I can stay 49 and not 80. And reading the paperwork from the dental office, I did notice that I'll have more success with these full-time implants if I wasn't a smoker. So as of Monday, 2 days ago now, I am no longer a smoker. And so I'm very excited to see what that brings into my health as well as the implants. And that's all I have to say today. And then we'll see what happens moving forward. It was good. I'm feeling great. I'm ready to go home. And I love that the teeth fit. And I love that I can't see my Top Gun line like I have since I was 2. And everything's great. And I'll be back tomorrow for a follow-up for phase 2. So everything's great.
Gives a smile.
Yes. Thank you.
I love it.
It's really good, huh?
How are you feeling?
I feel great.
Feel great?
Yeah, got a little bit of Tylenol. No headache, no jaw pain. It's great.
All right. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.